Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, March 24th, and this is my morning video for the Euro-US dollar. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. Also, don't forget to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to all the benefits listed below. And also, I do a YouTube live stream every weekday at 6 p.m. GMT UK time, so don't forget to check that out. So we are drifting up pretty good so far this week. Since the market opened, we definitely are drifting up. But one thing you have to realize is on this 1 hour time frame, the trend is down. We don't have a break of structure yet, which would confirm that this move down is over. My target from last week, if you watched my videos, I said the 161.8 is the most likely area for this to actually continue the uptrend. So we definitely didn't hit my target to the downside yet. We definitely didn't break any structure to the upside yet. So the trend is still down. So if you are on a little bit of a shorter time frame than this, then you would do your Fibonacci retracement on this move down right here. And if this does turn at a fib level to the downside with a nice engulfing move, then it probably would make for a pretty decent short, maybe trading it down to this 161.8% Fibonacci extension level. If you go all the way up to the daily time frame, I definitely am still very, very bullish. I still think we're going to hit this 78% fib. But I think we're going to go down and give ourselves a break of structure, which will probably attract a ton of sellers way before the thing rallies back up to the 78% is what I think is likely to happen. So down here on this 1 hour time frame, if you are trading the short time frames, you probably should be looking for shorts unless it goes up and breaks structure. Now, don't get me wrong, if it does go up and break structure, I will be more than happy to start looking for longs after the break of structure and after the pullback. But I think at this point, it's probably more likely it's going to make a lower high and probably going to make its way down to about that 161% Fibonacci extension because that is definitely a target for an expanding ABC correction, which I think is what we have here. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.